Buongiorno from beautiful Palermo, Sicily.
Hey.
What's up, everybody? So we've been walking now for how long, Adrian?
Since we got off the ship at 9:30 this morning.
Yeah, calves of steel. I'm telling you that, man. But we love to get out in a brand new country and actually just walk through the actual communities. When you travel to different countries, you need to get out and immerse yourself. Don't do the normal touristy stuff. Don't take the normal touristy pictures. Actually get out, talk to the people, eat some of the food. I mean, I ate octopus for the first time. So definitely a very interesting thing so far, and we're going to see some more.
Hey guys, we are in the wonderful city of Palermo. We are getting situated and finding our way around the port part of the city. We're on our way now to one of the must-see landmarks of Chiesa San Monaco, and it is supposed to be one of the biggest churches here. We're so excited to be in Palermo. We've never been to Sicily before, so we're very excited.
Now, the one thing I want to talk to everybody about when you travel is to do just that. Get out and travel. A lot of times you go on excursions, you do the pre-programmed stuff. But what we like to do when we travel to a brand new country is actually get out and walk the streets, the side streets, the alleyways. Just like this beautiful area here, we probably wouldn't have seen it if we would have just done the usual tour. We were just walking around and we found this site and this fountain, and now we see a whole area of things. So there's a tip for you. Just remember, when you travel, get out and see the area.
And we are now in the city center in the Quattro Canti, where it's one of the city centers where the four streets of Palermo meet. And here they have the homage, so to speak, of four different saints, and they have a fountain on each of the four buildings. It's really one of the places to see.
Prego.
Ma questo cos'è?
Queste sono salde ripiene. Oh! Ok, fai vero.
Hello, we're in the Ballaro Market where we're trying some of the local specialties like octopus.
Prego, prego. Quanto te la giochi?
Tastes like shrimp. We were on a stroll back to the cruise ship and decided to stop and get some Italian food, and we were just blessed with this appetizer plate from the owner of the store, the manager of the restaurant, or we're assuming, and he gave us a variety of local appetizers because he said this is their thing, as they specialize in appetizers. So we have a variety here. So we are waiting to order our pizza because we really want some pizza and some tiramisu. So we'll let you know what that looks like when we get it.
So far, we've tried a couple of the antipastis. Really, really good. So we've had a fantastic day so far here in Sicily. really amazing place. The hospitality has been absolutely amazing. There wasn't an area that we didn't walk in the city where we didn't feel welcome, and there's a lot of stuff going on. Again, I can't stress it enough. Meet the people, eat some of the food, and of course, drink some of the wine.
Okay, so pizza's here, and I got the Roma. I think that's what the Romana, that's the one I got. And it's got some ham and buffalo mozzarella, and it was made in a fire hearth oven back there, I just saw. And Terry got the Bombolina, which is got the buffalo mozzarella as well. So we cannot wait to eat.
All right, so we just wrapped up our tour of Palermo, Italy, or Sicily. She had me walk from the port all the way to the mountains.
It was not the mountains.
Yeah, it was the mountains. My calves are on fire. But this is day 1 of our 8-day trek. Tomorrow we're in
Valletta, Malta.
Valletta, Malta, the island of Malta, right off the coast of Africa, Tunisia. That's going to be pretty cool. But before we leave, we could not stop without having an orange.
An Italian orange.
Why is that significant?
Because they're native to this region, actually.
Not Florida.
No. The oranges were actually brought over to Florida from this.
We actually saw orange trees on a regular street. Like
instead of like regular trees and flowers and stuff, there were orange trees.
Orange trees.
Orange juice.
Next stop. Next adventure. All right, so tonight we decided to have a couple of drinks at the Sky Lounge. We're doing something smoked. You got the what, Adrian? The strawberry fills, and I got the MSC Mist. Now, for those of you that know me, you know I absolutely love mixing drinks, so I'm really excited to try this out. So, this is the MSC Mist, and of course, what happens when you take out the top, and then Addy. So, cheers from the two of us on formal night on MSC. Yeah, man, this is actually pretty good.
This is so good.
Wow, that's good. Is that like real strawberries in there?
Mm-hmm.
And this is
I don't know what that
some blackberries and
What is that?
this thing is good. So yeah, we're really enjoying this part. We just had dinner, filet mignon, and it does not taste like gin. This does not taste like Christmas tree. Try it. Adrian has this thing about drinking gin.
It tastes like Christmas trees.
This does not taste, you know.
And it's Bombay.
If you wouldn't have said
the worst Christmas
If
tree.
you wouldn't have said anything about gin, I wouldn't have even remembered. I ordered something with gin. See, it's psychological for her. It does not taste like gin at all. I didn't even know gin was in here.
Christmas trees.
It does not taste like Christmas trees. Her mind is just bleh.
Mine is good.
All right, so we're back for round 2. And this time, what did you order, A?
The smoke.
Wait a minute, where's A?
I'm here.
Where'd you go? All right, we're back.
We're back.
Time for round 2. We're going to stay with the smoky cocktails because we really like those. This time, Adrian is going to try the
Smoke on the water.
smoke on the water. It don't look like the kind of water you want to drink, but I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. And what did I get? What is this?
The Old Smoky.
What you trying to say? You ordered this for me, didn't you?
Yes.
I'm old and smoky. That's what it is. Cheers.
I don't know what.
It's like a witch's brew or something like that. Salute. Oh, I just inhaled so much smoke right now.